So many things happening right now with XRP. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are going to dive into a whole heck of a lot in this video, from the price of XRP today, where we think it could be heading, the fact that XRP's price may have disappointed some after the lawsuit, but what are some of the feelings? What's some of the sentiment from some of the experts out there in terms of where this could stop, where we could start to consolidate? And Binance has revealed their XRP holdings. We're going to talk about that as well and how that is important. And again, what does this whole PayPal stablecoin news dropping today have to do with XRP? We're going to talk about all of that in this video. So I appreciate you guys so much. And if you guys appreciate this type of content, we're covering XRP daily now on the channel. So much to talk about every single day. So make sure you guys smash that like button. I know we can get this thing well over 500 likes. If you guys want to help me out in doing so, it's totally free. Also, subscribe down below. That's all I ask. Totally free. And it really does help us out as we continue to build out this channel and this news gets out to more and more people, and we bring more and more people into crypto all together by doing our part. So it is important. So with that being said, XRP actually fell pretty hard here in the last 7 days. You could see that chart falling from about 71, 72 cents all the way down to at one point a little bit below 60 cents, currently trading at a little bit above 61 cents. Here in the 1 day, you could see we're kind of fluctuating back between 62.5 cents to about 61.5. In the past month, you could see, of course, we spiked up a couple different times there with the big news coming out. We weren't able to really sustain it, though. And we take inside this article over on Cointelegraph, one of our big top outlets out there in the crypto space, and this came out yesterday. XRP's price disappointing after the court ruling. Deaton remains optimistic, though. Of course, pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton does not anticipate XRP reaching a new all-time high after the ruling. He did expect the price to surpass the $1 resistance level. We never did quite get there, though, and I do think later this fall we can see another resurgence. But right now, we're kind of in this no man's land. Like, no altcoins are moving. Bitcoin's not moving. The volume across the board for crypto are way down, is way down. I mean, we're seeing like historically low volume numbers right now, which, hey, I mean, it's part of it. I mean, it's just kind of a cool down period for everything, so especially XRP. And you're seeing more profit taking with XRP because we recently had a 90% move, right? So Deaton says, hey, listen, I didn't think this thing was going to go to $4 or $5. I did expect this to get up to $1. It didn't happen. But Deaton did address a post from a user named Moon Lambo on X, formerly Twitter, who criticized complaints from certain investors about slow price gains. He says right here, after Moon Lambo put this in, year-to-date increases are as follows, and you could still see XRP up 85%, Bitcoin 74%, some of the other top cryptos in there. And Deaton says, it's all about expectations. Unless we were in a full bull market led by Bitcoin, I never believed XRP would hit an all-time high, even after a good ruling. And I said that when asked about my expectations on price, although I did expect it to break $1, to be honest. But until Bitcoin breaks out and sets new all-time highs, Deaton doesn't think XRP will either. Now, talking about some other news with XRP. So Binance's XRP holdings have been reported, and they're up by over 100 million as an exchange now holds 2.8 billion XRP. This is the latest proof of reserves report coming out of Binance. Its customers hold 2.7 billion XRP, so Binance's proof of reserves look good on that front. This is very important because I know a lot of people do hold it over there. So if you do hold XRP over on Binance, this is good news for you. As you guys know, I don't hold any of my crypto on any centralized exchange anymore. I only use exchanges to trade right now. But Binance's updated proof of reserve report shows that the leading exchange holds a significant amount of XRP, and they have enough to dish it out if people so choose to sell and take profits at any point along the way, at least right now. So yes, this was last recorded on August 1st. Now, traders are kind of weighing in on what's going on with XRP as well. So Christian, this is a DeFi trader. After 2 significant price spikes spurred by positive news on its security case, XRP has entered a consolidation phase, breaking below the range low, a potential sign of a slowdown. However, he does expect the XRP price to start consolidating. As you can see, that dotted line there down below, that solid blue line, the second solid blue line, he's got those dots sitting around at that 58-cent mark. So he's looking at that as a potential target to see some consolidation. You guys did see, if you did watch some of my videos recently, we talked about that 50-cent mark as well as some further support. Now, hopefully, we catch that 58-cent wave and maybe even at the 61-cent level, kind of where we are right now, and we could start to see some sideways action from here. And really, I wouldn't mind seeing like a few weeks of sideways action. I know that would be really boring and we want like crazy price action, but in this type of market, I just want to kind of stop the bleeding right now with XRP and just see some positive, sentiment in terms of, buyers and sellers kind of agreeing on a price. Now, I did mention we'd talk a little bit about this PayPal launching their dollar-pegged stablecoin for payments. This news broke. It's big news. Listen, I think there's good and bad on both sides. A lot of people saying on the bad side, obviously, is like this centralization and what PayPal stands for. It doesn't align with what crypto stands for, and I totally get that. The other side of the equation, though, the more bullish side is like, hey, look at all these big players. They're coming into crypto. We're still early as investors. The big dogs haven't got in here yet. Now, obviously, PayPal launching their dollar-pegged stablecoin for payments on the Ethereum network. This is massive for Ethereum. I love Ethereum, but I love XRP too. I would have liked to see this maybe spread out on maybe even them going with XRP or HBAR. We didn't see that. They did decide to go with Ethereum in this regard. But PayPal USD, the stablecoin, will be issued by Paxos Trust Company. Notably, Paxos will publish a monthly reserve report from the stablecoin from September 2023 on. Furthermore, Paxos will also issue a public third-party attestation of the stablecoin's reserve assets as well to get a differing opinion to make sure all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. And yes, so PayPal USD expected to work alongside the company's other crypto offerings as well. Per the announcements, users can transfer the stablecoin from their PayPal accounts to other external wallets. In addition, users can swap the dollar-denominated stable for cash or other supported crypto assets. In this case, it would be like Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Interestingly enough, those are the cryptos that are going to be listed on that new exchange that is backed by all the big-time, companies that kind of rule the finance world. So interesting, and I get it on both sides. I mean, listen, I guess I'm somewhere in between. I get the negative side of this and the positive side of this, but it is good for the overall sentiment of crypto. So that's what we've got for you guys in this video. I appreciate you so much for checking it out, and let me know what you guys think about everything that we covered here down below in the comment section. We'll be keeping tabs on XRP daily right here on the channel, so make sure you smash the like button. And again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You don't want to miss out on anything we put out right here. We'll see you guys in the next video.